Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says, which of the following hexose will form the osazone, same osazone, with treated with excess phenyl hydrazine, and the monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, galactose, mannose, and tallose. ठीक है? So let's do the question. So बच्चों, osazone formation, ठीक है? Osazone formation involves only C1 and C2 carbon. ठीक है? It involves C1 and C2 carbon. So any configurational change within the C1 and C2 carbon, the monosaccharide will produce the same osazone derivative. ठीक है? Suppose in case of glucose, the structure is CHO, COH, H, ठीक है? CHOH, COH and H, COH, H and CH2OH. Okay, this is the structure of glucose. And what is the structure of fructose? It is C double bond O, CH2OH, CHOH, ठीक है, COH, H, COH, H and CH2OH. This is the structure of fructose. ठीक है बच्चों, एंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइनोज इज CHO, CHOH, CHOH and COH, H, COH, H and CH2OH. This is the structure of mannose. ठीक है बच्चों, एंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ galactose is CHO, COH, H, COH, H, C1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the configurational change at C4 position. ठीक है, now COH, H and CH2OH. So this is called galactose. ठीक है बच्चों, it is galactose. And the structure of tallose is CHO, CHOH, 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 CHOH. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है, there is a mistake here. Let me correct it. ठीक है बच्चों. So here it is H and OH. So this is the structure of tallose. OH, H and CH2OH. ठीक है, this is the structure of tallose. So बच्चों, if you see the structure in glucose, this is 1 and 2. In fructose, 1, 2. In mannose, it is 1, 2. So there is a configurational change in C2 position in glucose, fructose and mannose. ठीक है, so this will give the these three epimers will give the same osazone derivative. In case of galactose, there is a configurational change at C4 position. ठीक है, आपका यहाँ पे कॉन्फ़िगरेशनल चेंज है, एंड टैलोस में तो आपका एक C2 में भी है, ठीक है, एंड इन C3 में भी है. ठीक है, देयरफॉर 1, 2, 3, 4 at C2 and at C4 there is both the configurational change in C2 and C4. There is no configuration change in C3. ठीक है, so बच्चों, if you see the configuration change, then C1 and C2 changes only in glucose, fructose and mannose. So these three will give the same osazone derivative. ठीक है, and galactose and tallose will give different osazone derivative because their configurational change around C4 कार्बन. ठीक है बच्चों, सो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या है? इट इज ग्लूकोज, फ्रुक्टोज एंड मैनोज. एंड व्हाट विल द ओसाजोन? The structure of the osazone is CH double bond NH PH. ठीक है, then C double bond NH PH and rest of the CHOH3 and CH2OH. ठीक है बच्चों, so here this is the osazone that is formed by glucose, fructose and mannose. So the correct option is B. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.